Welcome back, everyone. Today we'll learn care of people in need. Lesson 12 of EVS, page 63 in your textbook. Care of people in need. We have studied about the care of our body and our environment, but there are some other people who need our care and support. Who are those people who need our care and support, and how are we going to support and care them? We are going to learn all those things in this chapter. The first is sick person. When we fall sick, we do not feel good, we feel weak, and sometimes we cannot even walk by ourselves. At that time, people around us need to support us. They bring us water and food for us. They give us medicine. In the same way, other people also need your care and support. We must take care of a sick person. Next, we have the elderly people. When people grow old, their body systems become weak. They may fall sick very often, so they need our help. How are we going to help the elderly people? We can help them in many ways. I have listed out 4 points from your textbook here. We can help them by number one, we can read them newspapers, we can give them medicines on time, we can carry their messages around, we can give company to them. These are the 4 points on how you can help the elderly people. Next, children with special needs. There are some children with special needs. Some children cannot see, they are blind. They use cane while walking. We can help them crossing the road. We can describe them about many things. Some blind people can read and write with the help of the Braille script. In your question and answers, you have how do blind children read or write? Children who cannot see are called blind. Children can read and write with the help of Braille script. The picture on the side show what a Braille script is. Those are the alphabets of the blind. All right. Some children cannot speak or hear at all, so therefore they use the sign language. What is a sign language? A sign language is defined as a language which uses manual communication and body language to convey meaning. Question and answer number D. What is a sign language? A sign language is defined as a language which uses manual communication and body language to convey meaning. We must understand the difficulties faced by children with special needs. We should include them in our games. We should not say, you are blind, you cannot join with us. You cannot hear, so you cannot join with us. We should not use such kind of harsh words to children with special needs. We must always remember their difficulties faced by children with special needs, and we should always include them in our games. Those are the things that we need to know from this lesson. Your assignment follows. Answer the following questions. You have to do it in your notebook. Remember to write the day and the date, the heading, and the lesson number. Lesson number 12, care of people in needs. Leave out number A. How do you feel when you are sick? You do not need to write down this one. B, C, D. You have to write it in your notebook. In what ways we can help elderly persons? There are 4 points given in the slide which we have already discussed. You can write them down. How do blind children read or write? Blind children read or write with the help of the Braille script. What is a sign language? We already discussed. You can write directly from the slide again. And next, choose the correct answer. For those who do not have a textbook, you have to copy them down in your notebook. Number A, sick people need your care. You can put a tick mark on care. We must help elderly people in a home, neighborhood, both. We must all help them. We must help our neighbor. We must help the sick people in our home as well. Old people are very fond of gardening. People who cannot see are blind. People who cannot hear are deaf. People who cannot see are blind. Sign language is very difficult. Those are the things that we can do from the exercises. You have exercises 1 and 2. Exercise number 1, answer the following questions. You have to do it in your notebook. Exercise number 2, you have to do it in your textbook. For those who still do not have a textbook, do them in your notebook. All right, that's all from for today. I hope you submit your assignment on time. Thank you.